Hey, what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another brand new video. Hope you guys are having a great day. Hope this video makes your day even better. Now, in today's video, we're going to be talking about Snapchat, okay? Now, Snapchat has been a pretty trendy topic recently, mainly because of its new update that it got, and I kind of have mixed opinions about it, and I feel like I wanted to let you guys know about it. I mean, Snapchat's been pretty popular. It was popular ever since it came out, especially in like the teenage demographic, and in fact Marques Brownlee talked about this as well. It's been pretty big for Snapchat, okay? Whether it's in a good way or a bad way, they're getting a lot of opinions and reviews and impressions on their app, and I decided, hey, why not tell my opinions, because I feel like we all have our opinions, right? So yeah, let's get started with today's video. Okay, now if everything goes according to plan, you should see my home screen right here, and just take a moment to look at my home screen because I know it looks crispy. Now anyways, I'm gonna show you the new features that are pretty controversial because a lot of people have mixed opinions about it. But anyways, let's go ahead and open up Snapchat. Okay, that is me, and let me swipe to the left, and as you can see, there is a Discover tab now, and we sort of had this before, sort of didn't. Now before, you would see stories from your friends and whatnot, and then on the bottom you would see like official stories. Right now there are no more friend stories on the Discover tab, and it's all random stuff. Now don't get me wrong when I say random. Random in the sense, these are shown to you based on your activity. Now I do understand some of them are pretty random because I don't know how some of these came up here, but for the most part they are pretty relevant to what you like. Now anyways, what I actually like about this in the terms of a public creator or a company is that before in Snapchat you can't really grow or make an audience without them typing up your username or phone number and then finding you and adding you. But now with this Discover tab, people can actually see your story without them actually having you as a friend or subscribe to your account. So I think that's pretty neat in terms of a company or public figure's view. Now the other thing is, if I go to my camera right here and then if I choose search right there, it shows me stuff that the top stories which are kind of relevant to me, not really actually, but I do believe they are also based on location, so something that's popular around me is also going to be shown to me. There's also a tab that shows around me, and as you can see, everything is basically things that are popular around my area. And if I go to stuff, for example music, it shows the concerts that are around me, so you can see 29 kilometers, Toronto, and so forth. Sports, fashion, and you know what? To you, this might not be very useful, at least not all the time. It might be more like a one-time thing where you just like quickly see what kind of concerts are going on. But if you look this in a different view, for example, if you're the singer or whoever or the artist doing the concert, or if you're like a sponsor, what you can do is you can actually promote your concert using this little music tab. Now I don't know if this is an official feature, but Snapchat can probably implement this and make people pay to promote their stories, which can also be pretty nice. Now the other thing is, I'm not going to go there because it'll have all my personal usernames of other people, but the other thing is, stories are so much better now, because before, if you're in the story tab, when you press a story it would take you back and you have to press another story unless you choose them and choose the play button. But now if I click on someone's profile and watch the story, it'll show me the other person's profile, and I can press and it'll go to their story, kind of like how Instagram has it. So I think that also is pretty cool. But yeah, basically it's just really nice, honestly. A lot of people don't like it. I personally do. Alright, I think they are setting foot to the proper direction, because we do have to remember that Instagram stole stories, filters, disappearing photos, and all that stuff straight from Snapchat. So when Snapchat steals like maybe the Discover or Explore tab from Instagram and maybe the Around You kind of feature, I don't really feel like blaming Snapchat. I don't think they deserve to be blamed. In fact, I think they're stepping towards the right direction, because before I never really used Snapchat because I'm not a fan of like personal interaction that much. I'm more of like interested in like public following and keeping up with like public figures, companies and whatnot. So I personally grew more interest into Snapchat after this recent update. I don't know, you guys let me know in the comment section what you guys think of it. But I personally don't want to blame Snapchat. It might not be the perfect update, it might not be the update that we should settle on, but I think with further updates, it'll get better. And Snapchat clearly understands that some of its audience does not like the new update, so they will do some sort of thing to maybe create a hybrid of the new update and the old update. And I don't know, I might make a video about this. But anyways, for now, I think it's pretty good. I personally do, alright? Because I haven't noticed any other sort of issue except for just not having like the same interface. Like, I haven't noticed any functional issue on the app, so I'm not gonna go and put Snapchat on blast because I personally sort of like this new update. So yeah, anyways, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys have a great day. See you guys in the next one. Peace.